In today's video, I'm going to teach you Asana project templates, how to save time with templates 5 minutes. Start by opening your browser and heading to Asana's login page. Enter your email address, click Continue, and then type your password to log in. If your organization uses single sign-on, follow your usual sign-in method. Make sure you're in the correct workspace where you want your templates to live so everything is organized for your team. On your Asana homepage, you'll need a project that represents the workflow you want to reuse. If you already have one, open it. If not, create a new project that includes the tasks, sections, and details you'd want every time. Think of this as your best practice version, clear task names, helpful descriptions, and any dependencies or subtasks you'll want future projects to copy. With your project open and ready, look for the Actions menu, typically found near the project title or top right area. Click it and choose Save as Template. This turns your current setup into a reusable blueprint. You'll be prompted to set privacy and permissions. You can choose anyone in team can edit, which allows trusted teammates to refine the template itself, or anyone in team can use, which lets teammates create projects from it without modifying the template. If you want to keep the structure consistent across your org, limit edit access and allow broad usage. Add a clear name and description that explain when to use the template and what it includes. This saves questions later. When everything looks good, click Create Template and then select Done to finish. To find and reuse your template, go to My Workspace, then open All Work. Look for the Templates area where your saved project template will appear. If you don't see it immediately, confirm you're in the right team or workspace and that you have access to the template's privacy settings. Open the template to review it. If you need to refine it, click to edit. This is a great time to standardize section names, add placeholder tasks, and include reference notes so new users know what to do. Keep dates relative rather than fixed, and avoid assigning tasks to specific people unless that's part of your process. When you're done, click Done to save your changes. That's it. You've created, saved, located, and refined an Asana project template so your team can launch repeatable work in seconds and stay consistent every time.